All right, ladies and gents, let's move on to number 2. This one's asking, how does Naya see herself? Okay, how does she see herself? So the beginning of the story, still on pages 11 and 12, that would be considered the beginning of our plot. How does she see herself? And specifically, we want to go back in that text, and she concludes, I'm not like my mom, right? I'm not as brave or as good as my mom. She thinks others might view her love for sea turtles as silly. Okay, so go ahead in this box and fill this in completely. Naya feels like she's not brave or as good as her mom, right? She thinks others might say, hey, your love for sea turtles is kind of silly, maybe a little bit babyish, right? So now we're going to think, how does she see herself in the middle of the story? So finish this one as we move to the next box here. So in the middle, okay, right after JJ, remember this, calls her impressive for doing the beach cleanup. She begins to see herself a little differently, right? She gains confidence at this very point. Ladies and gents, this would be the turning point in the story right here in the middle. So JJ calls her impressive, saying, wow, great job on the school beach cleanup. She then says, all right, I see myself a little differently at this point. She gains confidence in the middle of the story. So I'll leave this up here as you fill this in with me. And then we're going to think, how does she see herself at the end of the story? How does she see herself at the end of the story? Okay. So at the end of the story, Naya realizes she's making a difference too. She is a hero in the making, right? She gains that confidence and realizes, hey, I'm not my mom, and that's okay. I'm proud of my success. I'm proud of who I am. I'm making a difference too. I'm a hero in the making. Okay, so make sure you're filling these out because when you turn the slide in every Friday, every slide must be completed. So, beginning, she feels I'm not brave like my mom. Maybe others think I'm a little silly. After that beach cleanup, that's the turning point or the climax of the story. She gains some confidence and in the end realizes, hey, I make a difference too.